Good morning, futures traders. Today is Wednesday, July 23rd. The time 9:28. Trading the Nasdaq Open using the Quant Alpha. As you can see, we are in a high volume break trade. We had the high volume close above the 100 EMA, which will signify an S2 because we had an invalid quant long earlier. So we got about a minute until the market opens. Twenty seconds. Looks like we may have a reversal on our hands here.
Order filled.
That hit a loss. May have a high volume short here.
Order filled. Order filled.
All right. We're now in our short.
Target. Exit. Order target filled.
Okay, so we hit our target for the day. So let's walk through what we did. There's a lot of fast moving action here. So with the pre-market ATM, we have a 40 tick target. And that gives us the opportunity to have at least two trades. One losing trade we can take, and then if we have another signal, we can take another signal. So with the full 80 tick one, you only get one chance. So we have a 40 tick pre-market. So here's what happened. It moved pretty fast. So we had this high volume S2. The quant long from pre-market was not valid. So we had this S2 here. We had an S2 here. So I went in with a pre-market. We had a loss. Then we had this high volume here. I took the trade short out of this pivot point, and you saw the trade from there. So, like I said, you have choices. If you use the 80 tick target ATM that we have, you only get one shot at it. If you have the pre-market one, which is a 40 tick, you have more than one shot. You have at least two. So you saw we had the S2 trade failed, quant short success. Now I also had version 1 of the bot running as well. So let me share with you what this looks like. So I have version 1 of the bot, and it did almost exactly what I did. Okay, so we're building the rules to think like a trader, think like I do, trade it with the methodology we use. So it did the same thing. It took the loss for the S2 and ended up with the win, as you can see, 201. Okay, for the win with the 40 tick target. So far, so good. I'm going to disable, let this bot run so we can get a chance to see it. However, this is how we trade. So hit our daily goal for the day. We're going to stop, and I'll also show you how the TWST breakout is doing. That starts usually at 9:35. So, with that said, I will share with you the trade journal, and we'll call it a day. Okay, so here's the trade journal, including today's trade for July. So here's our daily profit hit. Yesterday was a losing day for me. On the one account, my trade copier was not working, so I did fix it now. So we were able to see some of the trades copied today. Not a big deal. We're going to have losing days. I know it was a big win for a lot of folks, but I got in the trade too early and unfortunately got stopped out. Not a problem. Anyway, so far so good for the month still. So I think it looks like we're running at an 89% rate at this point. And let's take a look at the Discord on the folks that are getting profits. So we had our friend Day Trader just got more evaluations passed today using Quant. Ollie doing well, making profit. You could see all the folks that are in there. Bulanox, we had Dario. Sorry if I butchered your name, Dario. Just got funded as well. Matt made some profit. Somebody that got funded again. Dario got funded today on one of his $50,000 accounts. So you can see a lot of folks are really learning the Quant Alpha strategy and trading it. Brisbane Mike has almost passed his 300 off. So you could see a lot of folks are profiting well, following the rules, waiting for the setups, and moving forward. So anyway, more to come on the bot. The bot did well as well. It actually copied the methodology that I use. I had it side by side with the trade. It actually didn't make the mistake I did in taking that S3 long. It actually did. It waited and took the short. So yeah, you saw that trade, but the bot did it perfectly. It's thinking just like I am when I'm trading it and using the methodologies we have out there. So anyway, with that said, if you have any questions, as always, please feel free to shoot me a message on Discord, send me an email, leave a comment and the video. Happy to respond as quickly as I can. I do get a lot of messages, so please, bear with me as I look to try to respond to everyone. Have a great day. If you like what you see here, like and subscribe. We'll be back at it tomorrow. See you soon. Have a great day.